Hello, dear students. I am Mrs. R. Anand and welcome to the history class of Standard 9th. Today we will study chapter number 7, Science and Technology, part 2. In this module, we will study about the space research, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Bhaskar 1, Apple, that is Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment, Indian National Satellite, INSAT, Technological Progress, Telex Service, Satellite Communication Center, and PIN code. Space Research. In 1961, Indian National Committee for Space Research, that is NCSR, launched India's first research rocket from Thumba Equatorial Launch Center in Thumba in the state of Kerala. In 1969, our indigenously built rocket, indigenously means made by using native things, Rohini 75 was successfully launched. The next stage was the successful launch of the first Indian satellite, Aryabhatta, in 1975 with help from the Soviet Union. This success proved that Indian scientists can indigenously build and launch a satellite. Indian scientists were confident that they could acquire the technology for sending a message from the Earth station and to access the working of the satellite. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. After the success of the basic program in space research and rocket-related project, Indian Space Research Organization was established on 15th August 1969 in order to carry out further space research. The headquarters of ISRO are at Bangalore. ISRO activated the space station at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh for launching our satellites in space. Bhaskar 1. India launched remote sensing experimental satellite Bhaskar 1 from the Soviet Union in 1979 in order to observe various things on the surface of the earth by remote sensing technology. This remote sensing technology would be useful for India's development regarding water bodies, mineral deposits, and forecasting weather. The photographs taken with the help of this technology about the bowels of the earth, environment, and forests were important. Another area in which the information from this satellite was useful was oceanography. In 1981, Bhaskar 2 was launched from Soviet Union. Apple Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. The first completely indigenously built satellite by ISRO in India, Apple, was launched on 19th June 1981 from the French Guiana. Apple was beneficial in the field of education. The objective of providing emergency telecommunication services was successful. Indian National Satellite, INSAT. In August 1983, the satellite INSAT 1B was launched in space. Because of this satellite, a major revolution came about in the areas of telecommunication, television, radio, weather forecasting, and space research in India. Due to INSAT, 207 Akashvani or radio stations could be connected to each other. This mechanism was also useful for search and rescue of people caught in some disaster like a shipwreck or an airplane crash, for forecasting weather, to look for and follow cyclones or storms, in the field of telemedicine and educational institutions. The telemedicine service enabled the population from remote areas to get advice and treatment from expert doctors. Public primary health centers in villages have been connected with super specialty hospitals through INSAT. Technological progress. A factory manufacturing railway engines, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, was set up at Chittaranjan in Burdwan district in West Bengal. Steam engines, electric engines, and engines running on diesels were manufactured here. The first diesel engine was manufactured at the Diesel Locomotive Works at Varanasi. India started exporting railway engines to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Tanzania, and Vietnam. Telex service. The Department of Telecommunications under the Ministry of Communications started the telex service in 1963 to transmit typed messages from one part of the country to another rapidly. In 1969, the telex service started in Devanagari script in Delhi. Later, it spread all over the country. This service began to be used in different fields. With the rise of Internet after 1990, the significance of this service reduced. Satellite Communication Center. In order to establish satellite communication with the help of an artificial satellite, a domestic satellite communication earth station was established in 1967 at Jodhpur Tekra near Ahmedabad. This made it easy to train scientists and technicians in setting up and running an earth station within the country. In 1970, a center was established at Avri near Pune, equipped for international telecommunication service. PIN code. From 15th August 1972, the Post and Telegraph Department started the 6-digit PIN code system in the country. The postal index code was intended to bring efficiency in distributing the mail. In this system, the country was divided into 9 regions. The first digit of the PIN code indicates the region. The second digit indicates the sub-region. And the third digit shows the main disbursement district, while the remaining 3 digits show the location of the local post office. For Maharashtra, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44 are the first two digits. In 1986, the Speed Post Service was started to send postage rapidly. So dear student, here we come to an end of the module 2. Let us quickly go through the assignment. Question number 1. Write short notes on telex service. Second, PIN code. Question number 2 is write the answers in 25 to 30 words. First one, for which sector was Bhaskar 1 satellite expected to be useful? Second, why is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam called as the Missile Man? So dear students, I hope you have understood it well. Please read the taught portion carefully, solve the assignment and study. Thank you. God bless you.